Hello, this is my registration form for a website I made up called iMail. And so on the server side, if you submit the form without filling anything out, you'll get an error saying you didn't fill anything out. Please try again. And same thing if you just fill out a couple of the inputs and you hit submit again, you'll get the same error because you need to fill everything out on the form in order to complete the process. But on the client side, if you put required on all the input fields, I won't put them on all of them because it'll take up too much time. And then you try again with submitting nothing, you'll get an alert saying please fill out this field. So let's fill out the form now. So if we fill out all the information, University Boulevard, and then for the state we'll put Florida, phone number, username, we'll use a Yahoo email address, and then a random password, and then we'll leave this blank and leave the captcha blank for now. So then if you hit submit, you'll see that you get your information that you just inputted, so it shows your username, and then your password gets hashed and salted, and then that's your encrypted password. And then since we didn't upload an image, you get an error saying please upload an image that is either a JPEG or PNG. And then you get another error saying tylerrichard@yahoo.com isn't a valid username. Please use example@imail.com. And that's because this website is an iMail address, so you must use that emailing address or else you get an error. And since you put Florida for your state, it says must be nice living in the Sunshine State. And for the captcha, since you didn't enter anything, you get an error saying you entered the wrong word. You did not pass the human check. Please try again. So if we go back and we fill this out, but this time we use New York as the state, and then username, we'll use an iMail address, and then password, something random. And now if we use a PDF for our profile picture, then let's use the right captcha and then hit submit. Again, it'll output all the information, but as you can see, it says please upload an image that is either a JPEG or PNG. And since we used a PDF, that's why we're still getting that error. So it must be a JPEG or PNG. And since we use an iMail address, you get an alert saying that's a valid username. And since you use New York as the state, you get a question saying do you love New York City? And since you passed the captcha, it says congratulations, you are human. So now if we go back and fill out the information, and let's just say Michigan for the state, and we'll use the correct email address again, random password, but now let's upload a PNG and input the wrong captcha. So now if we hit submit, there you go, it says file uploaded successfully, and it shows you the image that you uploaded. And since it's not Florida or New York, you get another alert saying wow, your state must be boring. So any other state besides Florida or New York, you'll get that message. And since you spelled the captcha wrong, you get this same error message. So if we look at the code, nothing special in the index besides the include, which includes this file, and then the header is just the starting HTML, and we link our CSS here, and yeah, that's it for the header. It's just the header too as well. And then the footer closes the HTML and body tags, and then this is the form. So in the form we have to, since we're uploading a file, we have to use that attribute, and yeah, nothing special here. And then this is the results page, so this is the most important part. This is all the PHP, and this is for the uploading the image. Then this is to make sure, this if statement is to make sure that all the input fields are filled out, and if not, then that's why you get the error saying you didn't fill anything out, please try again. And so if everything gets filled out in the input, then it puts everything, all the all their inputs into an array, an associative array right here, and then after that it loops through the associative array and echoes it out. And then this if statement is to make sure that the file they uploaded is a JPEG or PNG. And then if it is, it'll upload it into the uploads file folder, And then if it's not, it'll say file not uploaded successfully. And then you'll also get an image saying, or a message saying that it was uploaded correctly or not. And then show the image on the screen in the browser. And then if you uploaded it incorrectly or you didn't use a JPEG, you'll get an error saying please upload an image that is either JPEG or PNG. And then this if statement right here is making sure that you use the correct email address. So if like you use Yahoo or Gmail, it won't work. You must use a imail.com address. And then this if else statement or else if statement is to make sure that the state you entered is Florida or New York, and if it isn't, then you'll get these messages. And then this is to verify that you entered the right CAPTCHA, and if not, then you get the error there. So that is it for my website. Thank you for watching.